Hey guys, this is Deering Dave at the Red Power Roundup in Springfield, Ohio. We're here on the second to last night. This is Friday night. Tomorrow's last day. There's not many people here. The lighting's a little rough, but I'm just going to take you around the Unstyled tractors. Most people go all over the whole thing, but I'm just interested in pre-war stuff. So pretty good selection here. Let's take a walk. And of course, we'll start here with my tractor. I bought a 1931 Farmall F30 in its original work clothes. Steel wheels, wide rear end, original mag, and my fairway. Golf course model, wide wheels. It's 1927. Going over to Tom Kelly's 816 International. Kelly's from Chapter 16 came down here with his tractors. Bought a W12. Cute little bugger. I'm sorry, that's Randy Reed's. It's Tom's Titan. He had it running a couple times today. Mike Androvich's white front end. On steel with cultivators. Mike's member here of Chapter 6. Over here we have Zach. Zach was working on this today. He was having a little trouble with getting her started. There's a neat little crosscut saw that runs off PTO shaft off the back. With hand clutch. There's a 1938 F20. Here's Wayne and Pam Estes F30. They brought up from North Carolina. This tractor was originally used at the Biltmore estate. Wayne ended up with it and restored it. Original kerosene manifold. Nice shape. Watch this. It works nice. It's a good little seat there for Pam. Ride with him. One over here, there's a 1020, missing the side curtains. Some cutoffs. Deluxe seat, homemade, F30, hillside hitch, Hookstown, Chapter 16 member, French and Hecht wheel weights, got a Balin overdrive, Another F30. Split rims, I think, on those rears. Sun's setting tonight. It's nice. It's about 70 degrees. It's perfect. We've had excellent weather all weekend. Had good turnout. Excellent tractors. It's a nice W30 on cutoffs. Also from Hookstown. A lot of Pennsylvania guys here. 26 regular and cutoffs. Round governor. This is an oldie. Yeah, 26. Original mag. '20 on round spoke French and Hecht. This is factory starter. This is Perry's 36 WK40. Gasser, 6-banger. Round spokes. Electric start. Nice W30. Round spoke. Homemade electric start. That's kind of cool. So I'm going to put a bar over there to the top of the starter. And put a ring gear under the belt pulley. That's clever. Looks like a H/M starter. E4A mag. No, it's an F4 mag. Steve's wide front end, 30 on steel. Got the curved axle front end. F4 magneto and its work clothes. Interesting looking throttle. There's a lift on it. Another F30. A lot of F30s here. Over tires. Heisler mag. Front wheel extensions. This is a straight axle tractor. Titan 1020. Looks like an Eisman. I think it's an Eisman mag. Nice skid rings on it. Another Titan. A bunch of those here today. Madison Kip. Here's one of those 1020 dump trucks. It's got some rubber bumpers on there to make it riding on the pavement a little easier. Industrial exhaust on it. Seen this tractor a few times. And okay guys, that's about it. Like I said, a lot of guys have gone home. This is the second to last day, so it ends tomorrow at 3. A lot of guys left. And it's gonna be a little warmer tomorrow. I think we're gonna load up here tomorrow and light out here on Sunday. And thanks for taking a walk with me. Like, subscribe, and see you in the flip-flop.